Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Citizen Tsuyosa, if I pronounce it correct. I'm just gonna unbox and I'm gonna review the watch quickly. We do have the same usual Citizen cardboard box with the Citizen logo on the top. And there is something which I just noticed now. We can see here on the guarantee there is 5 years guarantee plus 1 year extended guarantee, which is give you 6 years of guarantee, which is absolutely amazing. So in the box we still have the warranty card where you need to fill up your dates to register, and yes, 6 years of warranty. Beautiful. Again, a traditional Citizen box, very strong. Citizen logo on the top and on the bottom. Very strong, very well protected. So there we go. Look at that beautiful dial. Absolutely love this. Beautiful, beautiful. They came out with, I think it's 7 different colors. I can see it just stopped. I'm gonna try to wind this up for a bit. Oh, there it is working. They came out with about 7 colors on this one. They doing it with black, green, baby blue. I just choose the yellow one because I think it is the most one which pop out. It just pop. We do have the caliber number and the reference number. I'm gonna put this one on my wrist. There we go. I'm gonna take the stickers off from the bracelet. I'm gonna take the stickers off as well. Oh, is it all together? Oh, there we go. Beautiful bracelet. The 3 links integrated. I think they did a very good job with this one. Polished, brushed. I'm gonna quickly do the measures. We have a 40 millimeters case with 11.7 thickness. We have 45 millimeters lug to lug. We have a 50 meters water resistant, and we have an automatic movement with a 40 hours power reserve. I'm gonna try to show you the movement at the back of the watch. They using a in-house Miyota 8210 screw down case back as well. There we go. Japan movement, sapphire crystal. We have a stainless steel case, which is polished on side, brushed on the top. Again, sapphire crystal with the date window at 3 o'clock with the cyclop on the top. We have Citizen on 12 o'clock, automatic at 6 o'clock. Just gonna do a closer look at the dial. I'm gonna do a loom shot at the end of the video. Crown at 4 o'clock. There is no screw. Is no screw down. It's a bit, I don't know. You need to pull it out with your nails, but it's either nice and it's looking nice. in a watch. Beautiful integrated bracelet. We can see the three links polished. In the middle, brushed on side, we have the folding clasp with the Citizen logo on. We do have 3 micro adjustments as well. Yeah, I didn't mention the price. The price, it's 299 British pounds. I think for the money it's absolutely great value. For I don't know, it's lots of people comparing it with Tissot PRX. I don't know if you want to do that or not, price wise, or I don't know. Integrated bracelet, they both, I don't know, I wouldn't really compare them, or maybe yes, but the prices are different, the power reserve is different, the movement is different, but after all, yeah, integrated bracelet on both of them. And I don't know, let me know in the comments below. I'm just gonna pop this one again on my wrist. The yellow dye, it's absolutely amazing. It pops, just pops. It's working very nice with the bracelet. Very comfortable to wear as well. We do have the micro adjustment if you want to adjust the bracelet, or you can take some links out as well. We do have a screw down case back. Let me see if I can manage to show you the back again. Japan, Citizen, watch company, water resistance, 5 bars, which is 50 meters. I don't know, do you want a diver? You can go and get a diver. I don't know, for the price. I think this watch, it clicks everything you need in a watch for the price. As I said, they're doing it in different colors as well. I just chose this one because it's just, I don't know, love this yellow sunburst. Is working very nice. It's playing very nice with the sunlight as well. We do have the rectangulars, hour marks, double at 12 o'clock, double at 6 o'clock. Beautiful hands. I don't know, it's a bit like Oyster Perpetual leash. I don't know, does look a bit like a Rolex, but yes, for the price, I do definitely recommend it. There we go. Definitely you're gonna be able to tell the time with this lume in the night time. Yeah, I don't think you need more than this. There we go. I'm gonna pop this one again on my wrist. Beautiful. The Citizen logo on a clasp with the double deploy buttons, stainless steel again. I think it's working from 20 millimeters coming down to 18. There is a bit of space between the links. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you think about this watch, and just check all the colors they came out with. Yeah. Sapphire crystal. They're gonna do another closer at the dial. Beautiful. 299 British pounds. I think it's very reasonable price. There we go. Thank you very much for watching.